Today is the 10th of August 2026. We are here today as a follow-up visit of Mr. Governor, Mr. Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, who was here 2 days ago, and was here actually to see the atrocities that has been committed in the last few months here at Alakija. So this axis, this is the Baragri division. From here over there, then you can go to Alakija, then that leads to Festac. So over there, you go that way, it's Abulado to Trade Fair. So we're actually here. First of all, we want to say a very big thank you to His Excellency, Mr. Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu, for being proactive, for being proactive and responsive to the call. We say a very big thank you, Mr. Governor. And everything that Mr. Governor has said, has advised us, we are not just going to be sitting back. We will enforce whatever that needs to be enforced. As you can see earlier, the fixing of the pillars has commenced, and in support of the contractors here has commenced, and we will continue to supervise it in making sure that. But while fixing it, it's not substandard, because this has to be properly fixed. Otherwise, God forbid, we don't know who is going to be a victim. My prayer is that I will not be a victim of negative circumstances by God's grace. So we are here, and not only that, we have also spoken to the mechanics here, and we've told them clearly, we've given them clear directives. We are not in the business, we are not in government to make life inconvenient or disturb people of their ways of livelihood. And they've just told me that where they were, that's 73 road, that they were chased out of the place, and they were chased out of. So they had to actually get a place to stay. So they moved down here, and I've told them that since they are here, they should make sure that when they see something, they say something. You don't just keep quiet until these things got to this level. I don't want this governor to ever come back here to complain about, or to witness things of this nature. I rather want the governor to come in here and commission projects for us here in Amu Ward of it, and that's the objective. So we, as Amu Ward of local government, we will do everything within our reach in making sure that we do follow-up, back-to-back follow-up, and then this entire stretch, and of course also the stretch over there, we'll look for something to do there, so that we don't just neglect or abandon. But when you leave, when you chase them away and nothing is being done, they'll come back there. And by the time we have some kind of activities going on around here, then we have frequent traffic. So with that, they won't see this place as the harbor. So for the residents of our mode of local government, not just people that are here, whenever you see something, try to say something, so that we don't